This is turned into like ridiculous creature.
To a worm with eyebrows and nostrils, to a dragon with no tail.
other one.
We'll put your face in.
No.
If I need another block, I need another block. I'm thinking.
One used to be multicolor and now it's like all green. This is like 1 week on, I think.
One, four, 5, 6, 7. Let's try this one. Let's try this one.
This is gonna be a championship. Play-Doh. Is this Play-Doh good? Is it good? Like this Play-Doh feel? Like how it feels? It's a little bit different than the first one. Okay, like, is it better? You reckon? No, I'm not talking about the texture. It's more bouncy. Yeah. Are you ready?
You're making pizza.
Oh no, this one's really wrong.
Oh.
Your championship was really good like this. Okay,
Oh,
Are you making pizza,
I'm
Jackson?
not making it now.
Oh, what are you making now?
I'm something else. Nothing else. That's funny.
Scary. Oh, yeah.
Done. I'm finished. The lights are not on. Lights are not on.
Wait a minute, hurry up, Jen. Just grab it, sort of. Yeah. Wow.
And then you put some onions on it.
No, mustard, that's it. Wow, that looks so cool, wow. That's gonna be really thin, the mustard.
On the other thing.
Where?
The pizza chocolate thing.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby. Oh, that's his pizza oven. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, he's just wrapping it in there. He's so cute. He's so cute. Whoa.
This is turning into like ridiculous crazy.
To a bird with eyebrows and nostrils, to a dragon with no tail.